Another day, another new platform that's fully committed and immersed itself in the generative AI world. The most recent company to integrate generative AI into its ecosystem plans is Snap, the parent company of the social media network Snapchat. My AI, a ChatGPT based AI tool created by Snapchat, first debuted earlier this year as a component of Snapchat Plus, its paid subscription service, but will soon be available to all users. The news was announced by Snap CEO Evan Spiegel during the company's developer focused partner summit this past week. The AI feature, which aims to be a conversational companion that can recommend Snapchat augmented reality lenses and respond to a picture you send to it with an AI generated picture response, could also end up being the glue in the company's ever expanding ambitions in AR. My AI adopts a persona's outward appearance down to having a unique Bitmoji-like avatar. The conversations display similarly to how other people's chats do on the app. My AI initially gives off the impression of being a social tool because it allows for one-on-one or group conversations. It can provide Snapchat users with recommendations for restaurants and other activities based on what's popular in the Snap Map. My AI will text reply to images sent to it, but a future update will also send back images created by AI in response to those images. CEO Evan Spiegel has stated that the My AI bot will, in the future, factor the user's ages to focus on age appropriate content and responses, but it is unclear how that will actually happen in practice. Snapchat also introduced its first generative AI filter, an immersive animated sci-fi effect called Cosmic Lens that's available now. Snap has been focusing on augmented reality on smartphones and in other location-based experiences like sports arenas, concerts, and interactive mirrors in retail locations while also developing its own AR glasses. Although My AI is a completely different aspect of Snap's strategy, there are obvious opportunities for intersection. Future AR and metaverse development will undoubtedly involve generative AI to a greater extent. Earlier this year, Roblox added its own generative AI to its arsenal of creative tools, and it appears that Snap has similar plans. Let me know in the comments what your experience has been with Snapchat's My AI so far, and if you have any suggestions on improvements.